Hey everyone, it's Logan with Socialverse. So, a common question we get asked a lot is how do you use AI or artificial intelligence for your benefit when you're writing content or just doing different tasks for your business? So, let's show you how we can do that. So, there's a couple of different places you have to start. Is what AI platform are you going to use? There are millions and millions and millions of AI platforms out there. However, the top AI platform that everybody talks about and what you hear is ChatGPT, which is ran by OpenAI. The second one you'll hear about that is newer but is pretty similar to ChatGPT is Google Bard. So Google Bard once again is a lot newer, but it's obviously Google's chatbot and Google's AI platform. So there's obviously all these other millions of softwares that you can use that also integrate with OpenAI. So here at Socially Versed, OpenAI is built in directly to the Socialverse platform where you can come in here and generate different text, improve text, expand text, shorten, or come up with custom solutions right inside of the Socialverse platform. However, once again, there are millions and millions of other AI platforms out there. To simplify things in today's video, I'm just going to show you about the two main ones, which is ChatGPT and Google Bard once again. So here we have ChatGPT. And I'll mention all the links to the platforms that I'm using will be in the description of this video. So make sure you guys check that out to go to OpenAI or ChatGPT or Google Bard directly. And I will mention ChatGPT does have a paid version, but you do not need this. Once again, you can use the free version. It will do for what you guys need when you're just starting out. So here we have ChatGPT, and it gives you some examples, capabilities, and limitations. So sometimes you will hit like kind of roadblocks when you're coming and writing different prompts. But what I'm going to say is let's go ahead and generate some blog posts. So write a blog post for me about, let's say, a cleaning business. So as this is going out, it's going to sit here and write you a blog post, and it'll do it in just a few seconds, and you'll have a full blog post created for you. You can come in here and just tell GPT, hey, edit this, change this, blah, 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 all that, what you're looking for in order to come out with a better prompt. The other thing I want to mention about writing and using AI is how you tell it to what you want it to get, if that makes sense. So whatever you tell it is what you're going to get. So the more details that you give inside of the AI prompt when you're telling it to write a message, the better response that you will get out of it. So sometimes what I like to do is focus on the prompts. And what I mean by the prompts is what you're telling the AI assistant to do. Here's an example. I'm going to start out and say, hey, I'm a cleaning business owner in the Indianapolis area. Write a social media caption about cleaning services. So I essentially went and told it, hey, I'm a business owner in this X industry, in this area, write a caption about it. And what it's going to do, it's going to customize things a lot better to match that rare input that you gave it. So the better input you put, the better output you get. So another thing that business owners might struggle with is help me write a business plan for my cleaning business. So maybe you're a new business and you just want to get like a business plan, or maybe terms of service, or maybe you need to come up with a pricing structure or contract. You could do that directly with AI. So the possibilities with AI are pretty much endless on what you can do and what it'll give you. Once again, the main factor that you want to think about is how can I write a better input to get a better output? So what can I do to write a better message to tell the AI what I'm looking for? So once again, I just in this prompt said, help me write a business plan for my cleaning business. And pretty much in seconds, as I'm sitting here talking, it's generating a full business plan that I can now then take and customize to my liking and maybe make some changes, because the AI is not going to be perfect. So you just want to remember whatever it generates, proofread it, read it over, make sure it makes sense for your business and you like everything. And then you can go about actually publishing it and using that copy or whatever you got from the AI. So overall, that's ChatGPT. You can come in here and regenerate response, keep generating. You can like it, you can dislike it, you can copy it to your clipboard to go post wherever you want to post it. You can create a new chat. Up here, we're going to switch to Google Bard. So once again, Google Bard is essentially the same thing as ChatGPT, but it is Google's version of this instead of OpenAI's AI. Let's say we want to generate a terms and service for a web design business. So once again, ChatGPT and Google Bard are essentially the same thing. They're just owned by different companies and ran by different organizations. And once again, I asked it a prompt and it gave me a response. So this is ChatGPT and OpenAI and how you can use AI for your business. And one last thing I do want to leave you guys here on this video is AI can sometimes be detected by search engines. So this is where you may want to come in and personalize your AI copy. So instead of just taking and pumping out 1,000 blog posts in a day and posting that to your website, go ahead and knock out some blog post and then go in and add your personal touch to customize it so it's not only written by AI, so you can pass the AI detectors. And if you don't want to do that, another cool tool that you can use that will be linked in the description is called Quillbot. So whenever you write something with AI, you can actually just copy this directly and then jump into a tool like Quillbot, paste it, and then paraphrase it, or pretty much rewrite the whole entire blog post or whatever copy it is so AI detectors cannot detect it. So that's a cool little tool that you guys should check out, which once again, it's Quillbot and it will be linked. Now, if you have any other questions on how you can use AI, other AI tools you may want to look into, make sure you guys drop them below this video. And until next time, if you have any other questions, let us know.